Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to attach time reports to invoices. When you build invoices from Jira time reports are automatically attached to invoice lines. These time reports could be exported to PDF or could be visible to clients when you share the invoice by a secret public link. You can customize time reports in the invoice layout settings. You can define what to show in time report, set the data hierarchy using the drag and drop, and show or hide time reports from clients. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.